Hello friends, today we are going to do the workbook exercise of chapter 10 spheres of the earth. ओके ये क्लास 6 का हम सोशल साइंस का जोग्राफी का 10 चैप्टर कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज. ओके सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड दिस. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव. यू कैन डायरेक्टली कॉपी डाउन. So total 24 alternatives are there. Then next is filling the blanks. Okay, वो भी आप यहाँ से directly copy कर सकते हो. It will not take time. Then question number 3 is put a tick mark. Okay, true or false है. That also you can copy down directly from here. Total 17 fill in the blanks are there. And question number 4 is match the pair correctly. Okay, one match the pair is there, so you can copy down from here. Next one is question number 5. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Okay, the first question is which are the main sphere on the earth? So there are 4 main sphere on the earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Second one is what is meant by lithosphere. Litho means soil. The upper crust of the earth is made up of soil and the other solid matter, so that the land area on the surface of the earth is called lithosphere. Question number 3 is what is hydrosphere composed of? The area surrounded by water on the surface of the earth is called hydrosphere. It includes oceans, seas, bays, gulf, lakes, ponds, rivers, etc. Okay, then next page. Question number 4 is what are the main gases of the atmosphere? Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, ozone, etc. are the main gases of the atmosphere. Question number 5 is what are included in the biosphere? Biosphere includes human being, vegetation and animals. Question number 6 is what is the speciality of the earth as a member of the solar system? Temperature, water and air, which are necessary to all living organisms, are found only on the earth. This is the speciality of the earth as a member of the solar family. Question number 7 is what is the crust of the earth made up of? The crust of the earth is made up of soil and solid matter. Okay. Question number 8 is why is the lithosphere is also called a rock sphere and solid sphere? The lithosphere is composed of rocks and solid matter, so it is known as rock sphere or solid sphere. Question number 9 is what is meant by magma? Due to the tremendous heat in the interior of the earth, the rocks melt. This liquid rock material is called magma. Question number 10 is what elements are mixed with the atmosphere? The sphere that contains various gases and which encircles the earth up to the height of the approximately 850 km is called atmosphere. Question number 11 is what is the function of ozone gas? The ozone gas absorbs the strong ultraviolet sun rays on a large scale and protect the living organism on the earth from their harmful effect. Question number 12 is where and when is the ozone gas more in proportion? Ozone gas is found more in early morning in the open field, that is plain, and near the sea coast. Next page. Question number 13. How does the atmosphere serve as a natural shield for the earth? The meteors are pulled towards the earth due to its gravitation force. They are burned due to the frictions with the atmosphere and destroyed. So the ozone layer saves the earth from harmful UV rays. This way the atmosphere serves as a natural shield to the earth. Question number 14 is how are the dust particles in the atmosphere useful? The dust particles in the atmosphere spread sunlight in all directions. That is why there is no sudden brightness at sunrise and sudden darkness at sunset. Question number 15 is why are the radio and television transmission possible? The rays of the sound and the light are reflected from the atmosphere back to the surface of the earth. That is why the radio and television transmission are possible. Question number 6 is explain the following terms. Hydrosphere, first one is the area which is occupied by water on the surface of the earth is called hydrosphere. It includes oceans, seas, bays, lakes, ponds, rivers, etc. The hydrosphere is covered about 71% area of earth's surface. Okay. Question number 2 is question number 2, that is atmosphere term. The sphere of various gases which extends up to the height of approximate 850 kilometers to 1000 kilometers from the surface of the earth's surface is called atmosphere. The atmosphere is colorless, odorless and tasteless. It contains some gases as well as some solid matters. The next one is third one is biosphere. That part in lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where life exists is called biosphere. The biosphere exists only on the earth in the entire solar system. Biosphere include human being, vegetation, animals and microorganism. Question number 7 is answer the following question briefly. Why does the crust of the earth not burst open? There are some gases in the interior. When these gases are heated, they try to come out. The overlying rocks exert pressure over the lower strata of the earth. Thus, due to the equilibrium between the contrasting forces of heat and pressure, the earth's crust does not break or burst open. Next page, question number 2. How did the earth come into the specific form? The earth was in a fireball form at the time of its origin. This fireball gradually cooled down and some of its elements turned into liquid and then into solid form respectively. Thus the sphere of soil and rocks was formed. Water was filled in the large depression of this sphere which formed ocean. This is how the specific form of earth came into extinction. Question number 3 is why do mountaineers carry oxygen bottles while climbing a mountain? Mountaineers carry oxygen bottles while climbing a mountain because the amount of oxygen decreases as the mountaineer climb. At a higher altitude, the climbers find breathing difficult due to the decrease in oxygen. That is why mountaineers carry oxygen bottle while climbing a mountain. Question number 8 is answer the following questions. The big questions are there. State the importance of atmosphere. State the uses of atmosphere. Okay. The atmosphere is important in the following ways. First one, the ozone gas absorbs the strong ultraviolet sun rays and protect the living organism of the earth from tremendous solar heat. Ozone is good for the health also. Second one is the dust particle in the atmosphere spread the sunlight in all the directions so there is no sudden brightness on the earth and at the sun rays and it does not get dark. Suddenly after sunset, a dust particle reflects sunlight, so we get sunshine. Dust particle also help in building clouds. Third point is we can hear sound only due to the atmosphere. The atmosphere reflects the electromagnetic waves of sound and light, so the radio and television transmissions are possible. Fourth point is due to the friction with the atmosphere, the heavenly bodies like meteors are burnt and destroyed. Thus, the atmosphere serves as a natural shield for the earth. Question number 2 is state the importance of lithosphere. State the uses of lithosphere. The lithosphere is important in the following ways. First point is the lithosphere is the home of mankind. It provides space and building material to the man. Second point is man gets water from the water sources in the lithosphere. Third point is man cultivates various crops on the lithosphere and performs industries and various activities on lithosphere. Fourth point is lithosphere is the dwelling place of vegetation and animals, forest, grass, plains, animals, etc. are useful in many ways. Fifth point is the mineral obtained from the lithosphere are used in industries and in many other things. Sixth point is extinction of humans and development of human civilization is due to the lithosphere. Third question is state the importance of hydrosphere and state the uses of hydrosphere. Importance of the hydrosphere is as follows. First point, the hydrosphere provides us with fresh water. Second point, most of the humidity for rain comes from ocean. Second point is chemicals are procured from seawater. Magnesium, iron, tin and mineral oil are obtained from the sea breeds. Fourth point is oceans are storehouse of protein rich, good for humans. Humans get fish and other living organism as a food from the sea. Fifth point is salt is produced from seawater. Sixth point is electricity is generated from the sea waves, ocean currents and tides. Seventh point is oceans are used in as a water ways. सो यहाँ पे ये 10 चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज ख़त्म होती है. प्लीज़ अगर आपको ये चैप्टर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, ओके, ताकि मुझे भी मोटिवेशन मिल सके और वीडियो बनाने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस चैनल. ओके, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर, सब्सक्राइब.